happen? We starting the vlog right here. Welcome back to another episode of DripMyWhip. Woo! Oh. Hey, we know that guy. Oh. Who's that guy? No. Yes, we do. Larry here. Miss Carla's here. Didn't know if you're gonna say a different name or not. All right, I gotta go. I love you, babe. Love you. Slick, love you too. Love you, children. Love you, children. Daddy will be back. He's got to do hot boy shit.
No, not. What? What?
Not doing hot boy shit. We go. Anyway, I'll explain in a minute. Bye. 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 Love you. We out.
I love you today, Caleb.
Maybe.
We out. All right, we out.
Oh my God.
Camila. Hopping in. Y'all can't see the car yet. It's too dark outside. But we in the E36. And y'all already saw this from last video, which I'll throw the link right there. Got the neons on. Neons look fantastic. The whole back is gutted in this car if y'all didn't see the last video, but we only got seats. That's all we need. Anyway, we got 2 front seats. That's all that matters. We're heading to a park and chill right now, and I haven't been to a park and chill in actually a while. I think like season 1. It's been some time, but we're heading to one. I'm really excited just to go. I'm not bringing my car this time just because I popped my tires on the last video, and I mean this is only what, a day later, so. Made it to the gas station. Did you tell him you have a YouTuber with you?
No, I won't tell you now.
Okay. We just pulled up finally to the gas station. We are already like 2 hours late to the meet though, so that kind of sucks. Are we 2 hours late?
Hour and a half.
What time is it? We're an hour and a half late. We're fashionably late at this point. But we're waiting on one more guy, I think, and maybe somebody else. Oh, and Flacco. We're waiting 2 more people, so we probably are gonna be like 2 hours late. I'm gonna hop out and get a Red Bull or something. A lot of stuff has happened at Quick Trips. A lot of meets. A lot of hot boy shit. Right, we got our other person, and then the 4th person is like an hour away, so we're not gonna wait on them. Got more Style Points Club cars pulling up, as y'all see with the banner. You got Style Points Club. The second Genesis has pulled up. What's up, buddy? How you doing? I like how y'all the same color too. The 2 identical Genesis. Is it Genesi or Genesises? Genesis. Yeah, y'all haven't seen it on the channel yet. I've talked a little bit about it, but if y'all are not following Style Points Club on Instagram, go ahead and do that because that's our car club. And we got some amazing cars, sliding, park and chills, roll racing, you name it, we got a car for it. We got this guy, we got the other Genesis, not this one, but maybe. And then there was supposed to be a Corvette right here, and you're gonna see that. Huh? What? Oh, I thought you were talking to me. And all the other cars are gone. They're at the meet, which is like literally right over there. So we're gonna head over there. They slap boxing for some hoodies right now.
30 seconds! Back it up, back it up! 10 seconds. Hey, make some space, make some space. Make some space. Back up! Open the pit, fuck up! 25 seconds. Back up, y'all! Back up, I got a red beanie. 10 seconds. Go in. Don't slow shit all the way in. Everything came out. Ready? All right. Go get his ass one, boy. If you think you want, make some noise. All right, if you think he won, make some noise.
We jumped straight into the slap boxing because we just pulled up, but that shit was already going down. So time is 9:14, but yeah, we literally pulled up and they were all slap boxing. I know I already saw the Corvette, but I haven't put it on the channel, so I'm gonna put it on the channel. I guess Mustangs are so loud. But see, now we're getting too rowdy, so I won't even have time to talk about this. Boy just pulled up. C6 Corvette, major upgrade. C6 Corvette, the homie upgraded from the Scat Pack. Y'all know this owner from the Scat Pack. I'll show that video up on there. That's from season 2. Mr. Flacco is going to be joining our car club officially with this banner on his Corvette.
Only when the grass is blue. No, and when the cat is fishing off the moon. Damn.
You see what they were doing?
They was talking about your ass.
I know.
My YouTube is a family channel.
Check it out. We got the banner on. It looks so good. We don't? What's that? It looks good. We got it. Even though I'm not happy with it.
They just vandalized the fuck out my car, man.
Take some pictures of his car real quick, and the cops just keep chasing people because any person who's doing a burnout out here revving, they pull them over. So I feel like we've been here a really long time, and it's really hard to vlog with people like that in the background. If they still do. Yeah, see, it's hard to vlog with people like that, but it's all right because it makes for good content anyway. Actually, let's see who got the best intro. All right, we heard it. All right, best intro. Best intro. All right, ready? We're gonna start with you.
Hey, we got the real vlogger though.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Aaron, back with another video. Today we are at the Squid Car Meet, you know what I'm saying? Pink Flamingo over there. So all that slab boxing.
Hey, where we at?
Huh?
Where we at?
We at the car meet, boy. Doing hot boy shit. Some hot boys.
All right, Zonnie's turn.
Nah, he fucked it already. Yo, what up? This is Zonnie.
No.
Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy DripMyWhip here.
And we're
Okay.
back at another YouTube channel. We got my fans over here on the left.
Fans? Anyway, that was some pretty good intros. I think if I had to go with one though, second place.
What?
And that's first place. Look at, you only said one thing. You got it, you got it? All right, he's gonna try an intro.
Yo guys, what's up? It's your boy DripMyWhip. We back at it again at the ATL Squid. Meet my boy. You know, we got the cars right there. We got the cars right there. We got Pink Flamingo fighting people over there. You know, we out here killing.
That was actually incredible. You know what? Never mind. Here you go. So you run it now.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Woo!
Today at the car meet, squid meet, Pink Flamingo, all these hot boys, South Points Club, man. Shout out to all them.
Yes, sir. Shout out Stop Points Club.
We're here with.
We'll catch you on another video.
12 seconds later.
Oh!
Oh shit!
Well, with that being said, that was a fun way to end it. As y'all can see behind me, it's time to get out of here, so we're just gonna go ahead and head back to the house.
Just then.
Oh shit! Oh! Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Now let me up. Yo! Yo! Extendo! Hey, anybody got a plunger? What the fuck? Hey, don't go in. Don't.
I'll kill you. Watch out, watch out. Chill. Come on.
I'll kill you.
Wait.
Hey, no, he needs
Extendo,
his
you're
shit,
gonna get
bro.
all
He
that
needs his
paperwork.
shit,
Just
bro.
don't get in hot with 12. You gonna get his paperwork. Don't get hot with 12, bro.
I know, bro.
Feel so bad for Brendo, man. Feel so bad for Brendo.
My shit. I saw him.
Nah, we were right there, bro, and the guy, he hesitated, almost hit us, and like literally went right by me.
He almost hit me.
Yeah, over here. I saw him.
Fuck! Hey, bro, Brendo, I know you're gonna watch this, man. You got it, bro. We know you'll fix this shit up and make it just like the last reel, bro. Damn, man, we done. Wow. There's probably at least 40 cops here. We're leaving now. Oh shit. Let's head to the house. How about that? Oh, home sweet home. Yeah, man. Man. That was crazy.
Yeah?
Yep, that was me.
What the fuck is this?
Wait, copyright. Copyright, blah, blah, blah.
We got the little guy.
Hey. Is that just,
Where's the shot glasses at?
We're taking shots
Yeah,
now?
we're taking shots now.
You
were the one that just left the house.
Back to good energy. Excuse the whole mess back there. We on.
Shots.
We got shot time.
We got a whole bottle that's unopened.
Give me this. Let's do it.
Oh.
Alright, so that was a good car meet. Ended a little bit like a takeover, which that's not supposed to happen. Takeovers are bad. And whoever did burnouts, you're a jerk. But it's okay.
Jerk. Start jerking, Chris.
I don't know how to do that.
What?
I know how to
You
do
do
it.
realize.
Whoa, yo. Okay, we're gonna have to bleep that out. Hey.
My children watch these videos. What is it with everybody in out of pocket shit? I've had to tell people my children watch these videos like 3 times.
The dance.
Yeah. Now we have switched cameras like 3 times. I'm sorry if the framing isn't matching on the video. I don't know how it's gonna come out, but everything we're using keeps dying. So you have something to say?
Yeah, take a shot. Oh no,
Nah. You gotta take another little shot. You gotta make it to 3 seconds. Don't do this to your page.
If
Come
I
on.
knew that, I would have
Drip,
slowed it.
drop, drip.
I took the 10-second
drip,
shot.
drop. When did you take a 10-second
There's
shot?
one right there.
No.
So look, we can make it take 3 seconds.
One.
and I'm not little shit.
One. Nah, not no little shit. Yo, no.
Oh my
What is this?
God.
There's no chase.
There's Red Bull right there.
Oh,
Let's
there
go.
is.
We're sponsored by Red Bull. Just gonna put that out there.
We need this Red Bull
Yeah,
sponsorship.
no, we do need the Red Bull sponsorship.
Comment down below how many times you guys have seen Red Bull on my videos.
Alright, come on.
Like twice.
No.
Actually, that's probably accurate because I never get you your Red Bulls.
That's true. I never do. I never get my Red Bulls.
Yeah.
This is true.
But anyway, like I said, to everyone who came up and said what's up to me, thank you all for showing love. I really appreciate it. We put a new SPC banner on tonight. If y'all not following Style Points Club, get them with. But.
Hey, bro, why'd you stutter, bro?
If y'all not following.
Damn.
Take 3. If y'all not following Style Points Club, make sure to do that. That's the name right there. Make sure y'all like and subscribe because that's the only way to make these videos keep coming. If y'all want to keep seeing cars get built, then we need subscribers to keep on rolling in. Thank y'all to each one of y'all, and I will see y'all on the next episode of DripMyWhip. Peace.
Yeah. Kill it.